Vocabulary Challenge Day 3. Word of the day luminous. Luminous অর্থ হচ্ছে আলো ছড়ায় এমন বা আলোকোজ্জ্বল। এর সিনোনিম হচ্ছে শাইনি, গ্লোয়িং এবং luminous হচ্ছে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। For example, his future appears promising and luminous. His future appears promising and luminous. Day Vocabulary Challenge Day 4. Word of the day indigence. Indigence একটি নাউন, এর অর্থ হচ্ছে পোভার্টি বা অভাব। For example, indigence is a great sin in the capitalist society. Indigence is a great sin in the capitalist society. Vocabulary Challenge Day 5. Word of the day indolent. Indolent হচ্ছে একটি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ যার অর্থ লেজি বা অলস। Indolent, lazy বা অলস। For example, those are indolent persons who don't work hard. Those are indolent persons who don't work hard. Vocabulary Challenge Day 6. Word of the day inert. The spelling inert, I-N-E-R-T, inert, it's an adjective. Inert অর্থ হচ্ছে গতিহীন বা অলস বা আমরা বলতে পারি প্যাসিভ। Inactive, lazy. Inactive, lazy. For example, the tortoise needs huge time to reach the ant line because it's almost inert. The tortoise needs huge time to reach the ant line because it's almost inert. Vocabulary Challenge Day 7. And word of the day is detrimental. Detrimental. Look at the pronunciation. Detrimental. And it's an adjective as well as see the spelling detrimental. See the spelling detrimental. D-E-T-R-I-M-E-N-T-A-L. Detrimental. এটার অর্থ হচ্ছে ক্ষতিকর। Detrimental, ক্ষতিকর বা harmful. For example, too much caffeine is detrimental to health. Too much caffeine is detrimental to health. Thank you very much.